So the XP Glide is our most popular sliding door system. We've been manufacturing and installing it since 2007, but we keep constantly refining it. So new for this year, we've refined the interlock even more, so it's a really slim 20mm sightlines, so it's a beautiful looking door. Available on the twin and triple track, no strict size limitations. It's suitable for locations all around the UK, and there's some really nice hardware options as well, such as our steel bar handles that are available in stainless steel, a textured black, or if you prefer, you can have a more subtle lever handles.
In 2025, we've released a new sliding door, which is new to the UK. It's an ultra slim, triple glazed, highly insulating sliding door. It can accommodate 400 kilograms of glass per sash, which is really huge. The showroom example we've got here is 5.9 by 2.5 meters. We split that into just 2 panels. So that's the sort of size and scope that you can go to with this system. It creates a real feature of any property.